Microsoft made Windows 10 2004 available on Windows Update for their release preview customers, but should you consider installing it? After all, it's supposed to be out in May 2020, and that means as of this recording, it could be a few days from now, but knowing Microsoft, it will be on a Tuesday, sometime in May. No one knows for sure. Again, should you install it? As long as you've backed up everything, which is a best practice, then you should be fine. There are a couple of catches. With any feature update, latency tweaks will need to be reapplied. The second catch is getting an early version of Windows 10, like Windows 10 2004, needs a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up. If you don't want one, then you're either going to need to wait until it's released to the general population by Microsoft or find it on a site like uupdump.ml. The choice is yours. By going through this video, you will have a preview of what you should expect to see in Windows Update. If you're new or watch my videos and want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you'll be notified on future videos. First, make sure nothing is running as Windows will restart. Next, go to the Start menu, then go to the gear icon or to Settings, go to Updates and Security, go to Windows Insider Program and click it. If you do not have Diagnostic Data set to full, you will need to make a change. Click on the link Diagnostics and Feedback. In the Diagnostic Data section, change it from Basic to Full. This can be reverted after installing the Windows 10 2004 update. If the Diagnostic Data section is grayed out, you will need to run a registry file fix to force it to full. The link is in the video description, and I will now show you how to run it. Close Diagnostic Data, download the feedbackpolicies.zip file, double-click on full feedbackpolicy.reg, select Yes to open, select Yes to the warning, and close it. Go back to the Start menu, then go to the gear icon or to Settings, go to Updates and Security, scroll down to Windows Insider Program, and click it. Now the button Get Started will appear. Click it to start. Link your Microsoft account if it's not already linked, sign in with your credentials, select Next, select the last option, Release Preview, select Confirm, click Confirm again to continue, and then select Restart to restart the PC. Makes sense so far, guys? Let me know in the comments if you're looking forward to this update. After the restart, we will now confirm Windows 10 is in the Release Preview ring. Go back to the Start menu, then go to the gear icon or to Settings, go to Updates and Security, go to Windows Insider Program. Now you will see you're in the Release Preview ring. Now let's get the Windows 10 2004 update. At this point in the video, you will see what happens when Microsoft releases Windows 10 2004 to everyone. Go to Windows Update. Select Check for Updates. Windows 10 2004 will now download, and it's around 3 to 4 gigabytes. Get something to eat or find something to do while waiting, as it may take 15 to 45 minutes. Once the download and first part of the install completes, select Restart Now. This next part will take 10 to 20 minutes. After signing in, it took a few minutes for me to finish the update, and you may experience the same thing. To confirm you're running Windows 10 2004, you can go to the search bar or run command and type WinVer and hit enter. The pop-up screen should now display Microsoft Windows 10 version 2004. Congrats, you've installed the Windows 10 2004 update. The next part will apply only to the release preview setting changes we made earlier. Now that the Windows 10 2004 update has been installed, you can now opt out of the Insider Preview if you wish. To do so, go to the Start menu, then go to the gear icon or to Settings. Go to Updates and Security, go to Windows Insider Program and click it. Under Stop Getting Preview Builds, turn it off. You can also set the diagnostic data back to basic. To do this, go to the Start menu, then go to the gear icon or to Settings. Go to Privacy. Under Windows Permissions, go to Diagnostics and Feedback. In the Diagnostic Data section, you can change it to Basic. That's it. You're done. If you enjoyed the video or considered it valuable, give me a like and consider following me on Twitter at @TheDaveStuff. Here are a couple videos you might like. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.